Hi, welcome back. Let's learn BP sales master data field by field learning. So first we'll check order tab and we're going to check field by field, whatever it is available in BP master data in S/4HANA sales. Let's try to make some comparison. Okay. First thing I would like to tell. Uh, let me show you this one. Okay. So I will take a sample business partner. I think by this time you already aware of this, how the business partner will be created. Okay. So if you look at this, so this is the customer I have, business partner I'm taking, Govinda T Exporters. And wherever it is possible, we will try to see the transactional data and master data as well as, okay. If you look at this actual BP, so whatever the FL is DFL, C00 is for finance, and this is for customer master data, I have copied. The first key difference you have to observe when you compare with ECC. Okay, this text is changed for tab actually. So like if you look at this, this is order tab. So whereas in ECC, you already get habituated the tab called sales tab. Okay, let's try to see one by one field, and let's try to make it change mode. This one, if you look at this, and so all these are the different sales districts it is got created. So it has a different meaning. What is sales district means, if you take it specifically in India, a state will be divided into geographically different parts as a districts actually. So in the similar way, if you go to the foreign countries, if you look at this for Germany, they have defined this is for northern Germany, southern Germany, complete southern part and northern part and western and eastern, like middle or central, like that, they can able to define it. When it comes to US, as an example, it has created with different geographical section. Okay, so if the customer is belongs to certain district, so this is the parameter. So if you look at this, if I take F1 help, okay, it talks about the same thing. So this is going to be assigned for your soul to. So even the system can provide value from customer master of the soul to actually. This is specifically okay. So you can change the value in the document at a header or item level. Okay. So you can use sales districts, district wise also, if you would like to define a certain base price that you can able to do it, or else district wise also you can able to, if you would like to perform what I would say, uh, like discounts or else freights or else toll charges also you can able to define it. It depends on the customer requirement actually. Okay, so let's try to check this field first. Okay, let's go to Nashua SPRO. Okay, so let me try to get back to the configuration page. So it is the similar, the thing what you have observed in ECC. There is no difference, but we will try to have a a section of discussion where you find the difference when you compare it with ECC versus S/4HANA. Let's come here. It is specifically like if you come to the master data. Okay, here business partner, same thing. In ECC also you will find the same thing, right? So, if you come here, sales tab. Okay, this is the parameter actually. What is that? Sales district. Let's try to define a couple of sales districts. Okay, for example, if I say that D send 01. Okay, CE 01. Okay, so German Central, I'm defining. So this is my own way. Okay. DE, WE 02. Okay. So German West. So I'm just defining this. It depends on the my customer location, wherever the possibility is there. Okay. I'm just trying to assign this one. So this as a sample I have defined. If you want, you can able to define few more, like NR 03. Okay. German North. Okay. East, like that, you can able to define it. Okay. So what is the keen observation? If you look at this, so let's try to check the technical field for this. So if you look at this, the field is BZIRK. This is the field, actually it is there. Okay, just for your understanding, I'm showing you this is the same field. You can able to reutilize it for your district wise pricing, and second thing is that it will flow from your header to item. If you want at transaction level, you can able to change it. Okay, so this is the what I would say, the first field. So let's come back and let's try to assign it. So what we have defined, for example, this guy belongs to the West. Let's keep the West. Okay. Let's try to save the master data. This is all about first field. Let's try to check parallelly transaction data wherever the possibility is there. So this is so this is not my document type. My document type is Divo R1. Okay. So let's check this. So this is the customer or a different one. I need to check actually. So let's go to the header first. Okay. So now you can able to see this. This is the customer actually. Okay. So it ends with German West. This is what we have assigned. So let's try to take this one. Okay. At item level. So let's try to take this one in sales B. For example, if I would like to change it back to another one. Okay. So it is not defined, then let's try to make it this. Oh, so sorry, this is my mistake. So like, let me take the north actually. Okay. So this is what you can able to play with the system. Okay. So let's start header level. If you would like to change, you can able to change. That will be changed for your line level. For multiple line items or single line item, or else you can able to change separately. It depends on your configuration settings. Okay. So I think you got it, how the district field it works. If you are not from ECC background also, by this time you got to understand. You understood by this time. Like your sales district is basically like a geographical parameter, not parameter, geographical division. A larger portion of the division will be divided into the smaller parts of the smaller integral parts of the larger part actually. Okay, you can able to say, for example, in India, Indians who well aware of this, a state can be divided in US also. So like district wise, they have a taxes actually. Frankly saying, in US district wise taxes there. So when you talk about real time sense and district wise, they have a toll fee and all these things will be there in USA, and you will have a different taxes in different countries certain times based on your district geographical parameter. Probably in India, we don't have such kind of thing where our taxes will be collected based on, previously it was based on the state actually, but now it is not state or not based on the state also. So like, you will have a common tax, like, GST will be there. Whether CGST, IGST, GST will be there. So of course, whatever the case, like, if you'd like to pull the report based on your district also, okay, you can able to do that. This is all about this field. So if you'd like to learn more things like this detailed, so please subscribe my channel. What I'm going to request you is that, so if you really wanted to have the detailed learning, this is totally 63 hours. So this master data, I'm just giving for YouTube also. So if you really want, you can able to, if you really want the actual configuration of the BP, actual scenarios of your pricing and all these things I have explained. I have a couple of separate courses detailed. So for pricing, one is for S4 HANA and ECC also. If you really want it, you can give it a try. If you'd like to get master yourself in standard, you just subscribe these courses. This is one of my top course with 2000 students, and this is for as for on the screens I have explained. So thank you so much. Let's catch up for next field. Wishing you all the best and have a great day.